Good morning, guys. Just showing you how I start my morning. It's 6 degrees in the van. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, so I gotta get my morning started. But this is what I usually do: jump out of bed, get the heater started, and then jump back in bed for a couple more minutes. I'm sure a lot of van dwellers start their morning off like this when they have no heat. Oh, thank you for another day. Okay, you ready? So you can see the mess back in my garage. But yeah, so as you can see, I didn't have to use my sleeping bag last night, or the last couple nights actually. It's hasn't gone below 0, so I haven't had to use it. My garage is just a mess. I put these 4-liter empty water bottles. I lift up my mattress and I put it there. So this is why, and both ends it stays up like this, because the rear wells get full of moisture, like condensation, and so it gets on the memory foam and it can create problems. So this here, I just elevated, like lifted up off of the wheel wells with the empty water bottles, and voila. But this is my morning routine. If I don't make my bed, it feels so disorganized and chaotic in here. So making my bed is something that I have to do in order to have a productive day. And this coffee is so good. See, another one over here. Still feels kind of moist, but it's only cold. There we go. A lot of work just to make a bed, huh? Voila. Okay, that's done. It's like 10 to 9. I'm at the Walmart parking lot. They want you to be out of the parking lot by 9:30. Okay, so let's get motivated, huh? Let's get moving. Using these tea lights, I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning. It was 3 degrees outside. These tea lights were still on, 2 of them. It does make a difference. So I had a $2 shower at the Brennan Rec Center here in Squamish, BC. And not only to get rid of the unwanted dirt in my hair and on my body, but it was also symbolic of letting go of things that I have no control over. So I decided to let all my worries, fears, and doubts just go down the drain along with my dirt. To get hot. I'm going to cook some I don't know, I got a turnip. No, not a turnip. I've got a spaghetti squash, a sweet potato, and a squash. Acorn squash. So I don't know which one I'm going to wrap up in tinfoil and throw it in here. But I don't even know what time it is. It's probably around noonish. So I've got a lot of time. I'm going to be spending the night at Canadian Tire. but I'm going to be spending the day here first. So I have a sweet potato, acorn squash, and a spaghetti squash that looks like it's kind of changing color. So I'm going to use this today. I'm going to cook this up, and then I think that should be good. Yeah. And one more. Ooh, this is piping hot. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Whoo-wee. Okay. Oh my God. Wow. There we go. Woo. Okay. Take the seeds out. Yum. I'm gonna eat one at a time. I'll put this here for now. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in there. Some pepper. Ooh, Jesus. Right? Delicious. So good. I'm only going to be able to eat half. There's so much spaghetti squash in this little one. It's just delicious. And it only took about 20 minutes. and the hot coals. Mmm. Delicious. Mmm. So good. The sun just came out, but I don't have enough wood to keep a fire going. I'm scavenging some wood off the beach here, but I don't even know if you're allowed to do that. But I have been, just so I can get enough coals to hot coals. I needed to get some hot coals to cook my dinner. I need to get some water too. I'm out of water again, so that's okay because I'm going to be parking at Canadian Tire, so I'll just run in real quick when I get there and grab some water. Yeah, because I got to get up. I mean, the band's got to be in by 8 o'clock tomorrow. But I am going to try and get this going one more time. I'm going to get a number on that. Still have half of this, and I am full. I didn't think that would fill me up, but I'm just going to, I have some leftover that stuff, so I'm just going to scrape all this right in there, and then I'll have something to eat later on, because it is only, well, it's 3 o'clock. I usually only eat one big meal a day and snack in between. Okay, look at that. See, that's a lot. Ask for a better sunset, huh? It's so beautiful. Look at this. Used to be like obviously an old train track. Okay guys, that was such an awesome relaxing day. It's like almost 6 o'clock now. The sun's gone down. It's getting chilly. My fire is out. Oh, I'm hoping that I will be able to sleep really good tonight after all this. I've been out literally all day. What a beautiful day. So anyways, just in case I don't feel like doing any more filming, I'm going to give you a little bit of peace, love, and light from my heart to yours. See you next video.